Good morning, students. How are you all? So let's start with our history classes. Now, as I have sent you the reduced syllabus, the new syllabus which has come from the council, which has come from the board and from the diocese. So, though I have sent you the pictures, still I am explaining you that which chapters are there and which have been deleted. River Valley Civilization, chapter 1, this we have done, this is still there. Mesopotamian civilization that we were doing, this is not there now, it has been deleted. Egyptian civilization deleted. Chinese civilization deleted. Now the next chapter after chapter 1 is chapter 5. Then chapter 6, Mahavira and Buddha, it will be there. Rise of Kingdoms and Republic will not be there. Mauryan Empire will be there. Golden Age will be there. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chapters. 5 chapters are there, 4 have been deleted. In civics we have only 2 chapters, 1 we have done, 1 is left. So mark all these chapters in your book so that you don't have any confusion. Now after River Valley Civilization we were doing Mesopotamia. Now because it's not there in the syllabus, so let's start the new chapter, that is the Vedic civilization. So let's start the chapter, the Vedic civilization. Vedic civilization. As the name suggests, that the term Vedic has been taken from the word Vedas. And Vedas are what? These were the literature, or you can say the compilation of hymns that were written during this Vedic period. We will study about this in detail later on in this chapter. So let's take this chapter further. Now Vedic civilization, as in the previous chapter during the Harappan civilization, I explained you that there was a time when the Harappan civilization started declining, and it started declining by 1500 BCE. And this was the same time when the Aryans came and they laid the foundation of the Vedic age. So Harappan civilization was declining, and the same time the Vedic civilization was rising, or it was trying to make its foot strong in India. Now who were these people? Who were these Aryans? Who were the Aryans? Who were these Vedic people? Aryans, they do not originally belong to India. These were the people who were settled down in these were the pastoral people actually. Pastoral means there are 2 terms: pastoral, nomads people. Okay, pastoral means those people who you can say herd cattle, who have who rear the cattle, and they are all their economy and each and everything depends upon the cattle only. And this pastoral term has been taken from the pastures. Pastures are what? Large green you can say fields which are used for the grazing of cattle. So Aryans were the pastoral people, and they came from Central Asia. There was a problem of floods, and there was other natural calamities which was striking Central Asia at that time. That's why there were 2 branches of Aryan. They started migrating from the Central Asia, and there were 2 branches. One branch moved towards Asia, other branch moved towards Europe. Okay, if you look at the features of these Aryan people, they were quite tall, very fair and well-built people. Fair complexion, tall and well-built people. So one branch came to Asia and settled down in India. Other branch went towards Europe, especially in the region of Germany and all. So there were 2 branches, and now we are studying about the branch that came towards Asia. The Aryans, they came to India around 1500 BC, the same time when the Harappan civilization started declining. This was the same time when Aryans came to India to settle down. And when this branch of Aryans was known as Indo-Aryans. Indo means Indian Aryans, because this branch came to India and settled down here. When Aryan came to India, they settled down the Sapta Sindhu region. Sapta Sindhu. Sapta means 7. Sindhu here is river. region means the area. So Sapta Sindhu region means the region of 7 rivers. The region of 7 rivers. And which 7 rivers were there? These 7 rivers were Satluj, Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Jhelum. These are the 5 in the region of Punjab. Okay, Punjab means 5, land of 5 rivers. But this was the Sapta Sindhu region means these were the 5, and Indus and Saraswati 2 more. So 7 rivers, land of 7 rivers, Sapta Sindhu region. We can look it in this map also. So we can see all these: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Indus, and like you can say, this was the region where you can say these Aryans were settled down in the beginning. This was the region, and this included part of western UP, part of Punjab, and you can say part of Kashmir, and part of you can say Afghanistan as well as Pakistan. So this is what this brown color shows the you can say the settlement of early Vedic civilization. This is the region where early Vedic people they settled. So, and because this was such a rich land, because this area was drained by 7 rivers, so there was no lack of pasture. There were lot of water available, lot of pastures available for their cattle. So they named this region as Brahmavarta. Brahmavarta means land of gods. Land of gods. So because they used to say this is such a rich land, such a fertile land, so this is blessed by God. So this was known as Brahmavarta region. And now it covers the eastern Afghanistan, Punjab, part of western Uttar Pradesh. So now there are 2 parts of Vedic civilization. One is the early Vedic period, other is the later Vedic period. Early Vedic period is that time when the Rig Veda was written. All the information we get about early Vedic period is through Rig Veda, and this was between 1500 BCE to 1000 BCE. 1500 BCE to 1000 BCE. After that starts the later Vedic period. This is like when the Aryan, they were not only confined to Sapta Sindhu region, but they started moving to other area. They started expanding their region, and they started settling down in the Gangetic Valley also. This is between 1000 BCE and 600 BCE. This was a time when other Vedas and other literature were written. So early Vedic period is only for Rig Veda. Later Vedic period is when all 3 Vedas and other literature was written. So this is what you can say there are 4 Vedas, okay, but the oldest one is Rig Veda, and most of the information we get about the Aryans is through Rig Veda only. So look at this map and it will give you an idea. This is early Vedic civilization. This is later Vedic civilization. In the beginning, Aryans were confined only to this region. Later on, they started expanding their region to near. They started moving and expanding further. And you can see that they settled down here in the Gangetic Valley in the northern plain, and there was a time when they captured the whole northern India. So like they were settled down in this UP and Bihar, and you can say Punjab, and all like you can say they captured the whole northern India. So I hope this is clear to you. Let me stop here. In the next video we will discuss more points. Till then, goodbye, take care.